Hey guys, hope you are well. This time I will be talking about a video LED light, which is the Neewer 480 LED RGB light. And first of all, I'm gonna show you a short video clip and demonstrate what exactly this video light is capable of, apart from being a really good source of video light. And after that I will unbox it and show you some of the components and talk about some of the important specs. So stay tuned and let's watch this short video clip. It comes in the usual high quality packaging with all the accessories you will need to set up and use. It's a very good looking device and it's made of some crazy high quality aluminium and plastic. You can choose it to power it by batteries or use a power adapter which is included. It's also fitted with a diffusion panel and metal barn doors, which also protects the light panel. Setting up the light is really easy. Just follow a few simple steps and control up to 8 Neewer RGB lights at the same time. No need for Wi-Fi, it connects via Bluetooth. Of course, you can have full control over the light without the app or smart device. You can use pretty much any light stand and it's really stable and versatile. Tilt the light panel the way you like and the way you need with some very simple steps. I actually used a Neewer video light to make this video as well. So overall, it's a very good budget LED light made of very high quality materials. It's probably the best value for this price. I would highly recommend to anyone who would be looking for a really good quality light source at a budget price.